What's up, you guys? My name is 𝙁𝙤𝙪𝙾𝙧𝙧. For those who don't know me, I specialize in e-commerce. I own my own company that sells on Amazon Prime and other e-commerce platforms such as eBay. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys basically about 5 ways you can start making money at home. The number one way I suggest that you can start making money at home is becoming an Amazon seller. This is basically my bread and butter. I'm currently making about $1,000 in sales or more a day on Amazon. That doesn't mean it's pure profit. I'm averaging about $400 to $500 a day in profit, but I'm currently growing it and reinvesting in the business. The reason I'm suggesting this is because Amazon every year is growing more and more. I'm currently selling on Amazon United States, but you could also sell Amazon Canada, Amazon UK, and they keep expanding throughout the country. So if you're from, let's say I'm from Miami, you could start selling even in Canada and even in the UK. Doing this, I'm able to make money anywhere around the world. If I'm traveling, I'm able to still make steady income because all my inventory and all my sales are from Amazon's warehouse. Amazon basically does everything for me. They ship it, they pack it, and they even deliver it for me. I don't have any of the inventory in my house. It's all in Amazon's warehouse. Becoming an Amazon seller is very trendy and it's very popular now, especially that Amazon is growing more and more every year. This gives you a lot more time to upscale the business and grow the business. Reinvest all your profits or whatever profits you want to make into the business and allow it to grow even more. Amazon does take a fee just for packing the items, shipping them out, and delivering them to the customer, but overall, you're not doing anything in the business, which helps it grow a lot more. Your time is really valuable, especially if you're growing a business. It's almost like Amazon's one of your employees now. It's a pretty cool concept. Depending on when you see this video, I'm going to have a course out available for it. If the course is available, it's going to be in the link down below. It's going to be in the description. It's going to basically help you guys out with everything you want to learn, from how to source a product, how to find a product, how to sample that product, get it shipped to your warehouse, and all the steps I take for it. The second suggestion I would suggest if you wanted to start making money at home is Fiverr. Fiverr is actually a marketplace that you could basically find people that provide services for as low as $5 up to $150. This is a platform where you could basically get really creative with. If you're good in math, you could be a math tutor, help people with their math homework basically. If you're good at graphic designing, you can make people their business cards or help them with their logo. Everyone has their own specialty and you could basically do anything. If you like drawing, you could sketch people as a cartoon and people would actually pay for that. Or you could be creative, you can make funny things. People would actually pay $10, $15 to $20 just for a funny private message. Basically, this guy makes a killing and all he does is pretend he's fake Jesus. He has over 1,000 reviews. That's just people that leave reviews. You can average, he's probably done around 7 to probably 8,000 gigs just pretending to be fake Jesus and making a living off of it. The possibilities on Fiverr are pretty much endless. You could do basically anything you can think of and get creative with it. The third one I'm going to be talking to you guys today about is drop shipping. Drop shipping is kind of popular, but I really don't recommend it. The concept of drop shipping is basically you opening an online e-commerce store. Let's say a customer makes a purchase on that store. You don't have the products physically in your possession. Who has the products is a supplier or manufacturer. Let's say for example you're selling sunglasses at $20 a piece and a customer purchases those sunglasses from you. You never have those sunglasses in your possession. Basically, a supplier or manufacturer does. The manufacturer will sell you those sunglasses for $5 because they're coming from China. So you then buy the sunglasses for $5 and ship them directly to the customer, which leaves you a profit of $15. $5 for the supplier, you receive $20 from the customer. 20 take away 5 is $15 in profit. This whole concept sounds pretty good, but the overall picture is the customer is going to have a very bad experience, because technically when a customer is purchasing a product on your website, they're expecting that product to be sold by you. They're not expecting that product to be from China, and the shipping from China usually takes quite some time. If If you ever order from China, there's two different types of shipping methods. There's Chinese Air, which takes around 30 to 35 days to deliver, and there's e-packet, which takes usually about 1 to 2 weeks. When doing this, the customer expects to receive a tracking number. They're not going to receive a tracking number because you have to get it from the supplier, and then you have to send it to them, and then they're going to check this tracking, and they're basically going to say, there's no information, why is it coming from China, why is it taking this long, and it's just going to be a big headache. There's a lot better ways that you can start making money online today, and drop shipping is not one of them. I've been doing this for a long time. I've been working for myself basically throughout my whole life. I've only had one job. I've only worked for somebody once and basically made my whole income in life working online. So I strongly don't suggest you dropship, because you're going to experience difficulties. You're going to have credit card issues. People are going to start contacting their credit card companies saying this is fraud, and it's just going to lead into a big headache. And dropshipping is a lot harder to scale long term. There's a lot of fake gurus out there, or people that leave YouTube ads basically of, oh, you can dropship this, and it's all BS. It's all fake. The fourth option you can do to start making money, instead of dropshipping, you can actually do affiliate marketing. This is very similar to dropshipping in the sense of that you don't have the items in your possession, but you're still making a commission for any sales that you get a lead for. Affiliate marketing and sales is basically this. Every website has this nowadays. Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, eBay. If you drive traffic to that website and a customer makes a purchase for the item of the affiliate link you have, you make a commission off that sale. So the retailer actually pays you a commission just for giving them that lead. It's a great method to do, especially you can upscale it. You can do honest reviews on a product that you like. We all have hobbies and we all have passions of things we like. You could honestly make a review almost about anything. You could review, look, for example, this little Frenchy Bluetooth speaker. You can make a review on it on YouTube or post it on Instagram, and basically you could partner with Amazon, eBay, and there's so many websites basically that have affiliate programs. If you give a lead to that service, they'll provide you a commission. Sometimes it's 10%, 4%, 5%, but it's something that you could scale easily. You don't need an initial investment to start, and all you need is to provide leads and sales. Affiliate marketing is really good. People make thousands of dollars doing this, and the more you do it, the more you perfect the skill. Affiliate marketing works best when you are really passionate about that product. You know the ups and downs of that product. You know all the little details and specs of that product. So if you're going to do affiliate marketing, please make sure you know the product. Please make sure you have an understanding of more or less of the whole niche of that market, because people are going to be looking up that information and they're going to be depending on you to give an honest review of it. Hopefully this video is useful to you, and please make sure to subscribe and like this video. It'll mean a lot to me. And make sure to add me on Instagram, 𝙤𝙤𝙪𝙞𝙪 with a Z at the end. And that's about it. Peace.